Question is asking what is the sum of this particular series up to 11th term. Let me call this up to 11th term is nothing but S11, right? S11. So we can say if you concentrate on the general term, first term is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to. I'll write the first term as 1 into 1. Is it okay? If you concentrate on these terms, the first term, this term, this term, this term of every term, it is nothing but. So I can write an general term, that is equal to n into what is it? 2n minus 1, because these are all odd terms, right? You put n is equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus 1 is 1. Put n is equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3. That's the second term, like this. Correct? So can you not write Sn is nothing but sigma summation of an. So S11 is equal to, so this is n is equal to 1 to n. So I can write S11 is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to 11 of an. So S11 is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to 11 of what is that value of an is equal to, an is nothing but, an can be written as 2n square minus n. So 2n square minus n. So S11 is equal to 2 into sigma n is equal to 1 to 11 of n square minus sigma n is equal to 1 to 11 of n. So what is this answer for S11 is equal to 2 into sigma n square. The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus of n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So put n is equal to, what is it in this case now? Put n is equal to 11. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, right? So S11 is equal to 11 into 12 into 23 divided by 3 minus of 11 into 12 divided by 2. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. 44 multiplied by 23 minus 66. So S11 is equal to 44 into 23. 44 multiplied by 23. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 1 13 and 88, 2, 11, 8, 9, 10, 1 0 1 2. 1 0 1 2 minus 66. So this is nothing but 6. 100 minus 6 is nothing but 94. So the value of S11 will be equal to 946.